Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a donut or a pie chart. So let's get on with it. First, let's just add the D3 library. Then we will add the SVG element with some sort of ID that we can reference. We will then make a start documenting the steps that we need to build and display our chart. So we'll be defining the size of the SVG, defining the data set. We will then build the pie and the data set using the SVG functions. We'll then draw the pie, and then as an optional step, we will label the data elements. So let's just define the size. Very simple, and then a data set is going to be a simple object array and just the labels and the values. We're also going to use the color, the D3 built-in color function to choose the colors of our pie chart. So let's just start building the pie chart. Get an SVG reference. Now we're going to use few D3 built-in function called pie, which returns a callback function and uses the value of the overall value of our data set. We then pass our data set to this callback function as a input variable. We then use another D3 function called arc to define how our donut or pie chart is going to look like. Give the inner radius to 0 if you want a pie chart, and give it a value if you want it to look like a donut. You also given a corner radius to make it slightly big. I'll just quickly pause there to show you how those functions work. The pie chart in the center, we're going to use transform translate function and create the mock G almost, which will get to the right at the center of our SVG, and so that way our pie chart is in the center. So that's all we've done is half of width and height. Now add another SVG inner G where we will put the actual pie chart. We append a G. We give it some sort of name called my pie. We then use the data element above and attach it to it. Now we use a path, a D to draw the entire chart. Now you notice that the chart is now started appearing. I have made a small mistake with the translate, so can you just reassign that? And you can see that the chart has now appeared. Give the labels. You're going to use the append text for that. Give it the X and Y attributes. And you'll certainly notice that once we add the text element, it will start appearing. Use the data name and data value. It's slightly miscued, so I'm going to move them to the left. And that's all. That's our chart ready. I'm quickly going to show you how it looks like when you remove the inner radius. It'll start looking like a pie chart instead of the donut. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.